Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Terra Classic. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this cup and handle formation. And Terra Classic is still moving above this support. And we will also watch another formation of a symmetrical triangle that Terra Classic has formed on the 4-hour time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with this 4-hour time frame chart. And here we can see previously Terra Classic broke out different resistance levels, and finally here we had a bull flag when we had this short rally, and after breaking out this bull flag, Terra Classic reached the final resistance that we have at 0.000166685, and after getting rejected by this resistance, it is dropped down at the support at 0.0001075, and previously you can see here it has been breaking at the resistance for several hours on this 4-hour time frame chart, and almost here at the support, and recently we are again bounced from the support of 0.0001075. And by the way, here it also worked as a strong resistance when we had this price rejection. For example, if Terra Classic breaks down this support, then we have another immediate support here at 9050.00009050, and this level has been breaking as a support here, and almost as a resistance here, and as a resistance here as well. And therefore, if the price line breaks down this support of 1075, then it can work as another immediate support. Now let's take a look at this chart. This is the same 4-hour time frame chart, and here previously we have seen that it formed an ascending triangle. Here we had the resistance of the triangle, and here we had the support of this ascending triangle. And you can see that Terra Classic has broken down this triangle, and our target after this breakdown was here. If I place this trend line here, then you can see exactly at the breakdown point where that was our target to the downside. After the breakdown, the price line dropped down here and still moving here sideways, did not continue its move to the downside. Now we can see that let me show you this move on the hourly time frame, that will be more visible. You can see that we have a bounce here, we have few touch points here, and again we have another touch point here after this big gap, and again we are having another bounce from here. So we cannot ignore these bounces as well. I'm just going to connect these all touch points. We have a touch point here. You can see that we are having an uptrend line support here, and we are also having a down trend line resistance here as well. And you can see we have several touch points at the resistance here. For a while the price line moved above this resistance. We have rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and several rejections here, several touch points here. And right now you can see that the price line has again drop at the support, and this is the formation of the symmetrical triangle. Let me show you this move on the 4-hour time frame chart. It is also very nicely visible on this 4-hour time frame chart, and you can see that we are having more touch points. That is a very nice thing over here, that we are having more touch points at the resistance than the support. That is signaling that we can break out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle. And you can see right now we are moving at the center of this triangle after testing this support once again. Now, for example, if Terra Classic breaks out this triangle, then conservatively our target to the upside can be here at 0.0018. And for example, if it will break down the support, then we can move down again at 0.0007555. That will be quite down from here. And let me just show you this cup and handle formation once again. You can see that on the 4-hour time frame chart, we also have this cup and handle. And if I again place this Fibonacci tool from this bottom up to this top, then we can see we are not retraced more than this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. We did not break it down, therefore it is a perfect handle formation of the cup. And we also have a round shape of the body of the cup. Here we have the handle, and this is the resistance that we have at 16685. That is the resistance of the cup. And if we will break out the resistance of this triangle, then there will be a very high probability that we will also break out the resistance of the cup as well, because you can see it is showing us the projection at 0.000187. And if we once again take a look at the target for this cup and handle, and if I place this trend line from this bottom up to this high, this resistance of the cup, and place it here, then we can see our approximate target is at 0.0026 or 28. That is our approximate target after the breakout from this cup and handle pattern. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.